Hello all, we are at the ARM booth at ROSCon. We do have a robot in demo, and Josh, the VP of Development at Orbbec, will talk about this robot.
Hi, I'm Josh Blake from Orbbec, and we're demonstrating our 3D cameras paired with a robot that's powered by an ARM chip. What we have is an array of 4 3D cameras, and this gives it an ultra-wide 180-degree field of view horizontally and a 45-degree field of view vertically. And what we're demonstrating with this is SLAM-based navigation. And earlier, I mapped the room by navigating the robot around the room. And then what we're going to demonstrate here is once I put the robot on the ground, I can give it a point to go to, and it'll find its way even if there's obstacles that are different from where the map was. So let's show you.
Josh, can you talk about the cameras and the ASIC designs that you have and the ARM-based compute boards that you have on your robot?
Sure. So the cameras use a custom ASIC chip that we design that does the depth processing inside each of the cameras. So there's 4 cameras, and each of them have their own ASIC chip. And then that connects by USB to a Firefly rock chip board that does all the processing, the SLAM, the navigation, the decision making on the robot. And it communicates wirelessly to the cell phone, which is basically just a remote control, and shows some visualizations so we can see what it thinks it's doing.
Very nice. Let's get a demo going.
All right.
So what are we doing now?
So since I just moved it manually, I need to give it a hint about where it is. And so turn that on. So now it knows where it is, and then I can tell it where I want it to go. So I'm going to have it come back to this corner. And I can choose a specific orientation to take. And then now it'll do the pathfinding and navigate to that position. And right now what it's doing is doing a fine-tuned localization, make sure it knows exactly where it is, because there's a little bit of error when it's going fast and traveling. And then once it figures out exactly where it is based upon the previous map that we scanned, it assumes the final position and orientation.
Let's navigate it to somewhere else, and I will move in front of it, and let's see whether it avoids me.
Sure. Do you want me to move in front of it? Or?
That's perfectly fine, yes.
All right. So I'm going to send it back to about where it was, and then I'm going to step out from behind this table. Notice it course corrected to the left a little bit, and now it's coming back around to the right to assume the final position that I told it to target.
This is very cool. Thank you so much for demoing the robot to us.
Thank you.